This is a multifunctional electrosurgical unit with built-in APC. Let us see the connections of the unit. On the rear side we have IEC power inlet, power on-off switch, 2-pedal, 3-pedal, standard foot switch connector, Leigate foot switch connector and equipotential pin. This is the argon input. We have dual argon input for redundant operation. In the front we have a 7-inch touch screen. Feather touch keys on both the sides of the screen and output ports. Now let's turn on the unit. During startup, the unit does self-test to ensure proper functioning of the unit. If the self-test is successful, it proceeds further, otherwise it shows an error message. On the top of the screen we have a program window. It shows currently selected user profile number with surgeon's name and surgical procedure's name. This is the patient plate window. It shows the type and status of the connected patient plate. This is Leigate, bipolar, monopolar cut 2, monopolar cog 2, monopolar cut 1, monopolar cog 1. Each window shows currently selected power mode and foot switch selections. To change the power level and mode, touch mode icon, select the desired mode and select the desired power level. Similar interface is provided in all other windows. In Blend, we have cut ratio selection. User can have option to select from 30% to 90%. Argon can be enabled by touching the argon icon. This argon window shows the selected cut and coag mode LPMs and connected argon cylinders status. LPMs can be varied from 0.1 LPM to 9.9 LPM in both modes individually. Randomized spray can be selected by touching the random icon, and output power can be disabled by touching the output icon. The power levels can be varied without entering the submenus from the front panel itself. Menu icon is located on the left side. It has setting, foot switch, date, time, startup, screen lock, error lock, warnings, standby, buy tour and Leigate icons. In settings, we have timeout, volume level selection and ketone on and off icon. Volume level can be selected from 1 to 9. Timeout can be selected from 10 seconds to maximum 30 seconds. Timeout function can be disabled by holding the on-off icon continuously for 5 seconds. In foot switch we have option for 2-pedal and 3-pedal foot switch. In date, current date is being shown. In time, current time is being displayed. In Startup section there are three options: Previous activated, Standby mode and Factory settings. In Screen Lock section, Auto Lock enable and disable options are available. If Auto Lock is disabled, Manual Lock icon will be provided to manually lock and unlock the screen. Once Auto Lock is enabled, the screen will be locked automatically after 2 minutes. Real-time system errors and warnings are stored in these error log and warnings. For more details, please refer to the user manual. Right now we are in standard mode. To switch to By-TUR mode, touch menu icon and By-TUR icon. The unit will automatically initialize itself for By-TUR mode. Now we are into By-TUR window. Power levels and mode selections can be done for cut and coil. User can switch to Light mode, touch menu icon and Light icon. System will initialize it to Light mode. The power levels, foot switch selection and mode selection can be done for Light. To put the unit into standard mode, touch menu and then standard icon. In menu, standby icon is provided to put unit in standby mode. The unit comes with 99 user settable profiles. User can store the current settings into any desired program number. Right now we are into program number 1. Let's say that you want to save the same power and other settings to program 4. Select the program number, enter the doctor's and the procedure name. Touch and hold the save icon for a couple of seconds. And touch yes icon for confirmation to save. Now the current settings have been stored in program number 4. To recall a saved program, touch program icon, select the program number and touch the recall icon. The selected user settings will be restored in main screen. The user can also use feather touch keys for power selection and mode selection. Press any key to select the desired mode and the power selection. This unit supports both non-split as well as split-type patient plate. Alan strongly recommends split-type patient plate for maximum patient safety. The patient plate cable is connected to patient plate port. If split-type patient plate is used, the status window shows the quality of contact with patient. Let's see the connection for the foot switch and argon inlets. Single pedal Light foot switch will connect to the Light foot switch port. Two-pedal or three-pedal foot switch will connect to the standard two-pedal or three-pedal foot switch port. Press this notch and pull to unplug the cable. The same applies to the light foot switch connection. Just push to lock the hose pipe in argon inlets. Let's see the front connections. The hand switch pencil is connected to the hand switch port number 1. The argon-enhanced hand switch pencil is connected to hand switch port number 2, as well as the argon output. The bipolar forceps is connected to bipolar output port. Foot switch selection is provided on main screen itself. The selection can be made for hand switch port number 1 or number 2. Let's see the operations with foot switch. Press yellow pedal for monopolar cut. Press blue pedal for monopolar cog. Press light blue pedal for bipolar. And press light foot switch for light. Similarly, in bi-TUR mode, press yellow pedal for bi-TUR cut. Press blue pedal for bi-TUR cog. Press light foot switch for light. If tissue is held properly, unit delivers the output and displays ligated. And if tissue is not connected properly or instrument is open, unit will show an error. Press yellow pedal for bipolar cut. Press blue pedal for bipolar cog. Bipolar output can be made available in ligate port if the surgeon wants to use single instrument for ligate and bipolar outputs. This avoids the use of two instruments to be shuffled repeatedly during surgery and saves the surgeon's time significantly. To enable this feature, touch bipolar mode icon. Select the option bipolar output on ligate port. In the same way, it can be disabled too.